Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to teach y'all how to play Getaway by Blxst and Bino, and this is off of their latest project, Sixtape 3. If you haven't gotten a chance to listen to it, I would highly recommend it, and I would highly recommend to listen to all their other Sixtape projects that they put out in the past because it's all straight fire. So it's a relatively easy song to play. It's a 4-chord progression. You're going to have a capo on the 2nd fret, and everything is relative to the capo. The 4 chords are A minor 7, C major 7, F major 7, and then lastly an E minor 7. So it's all 7th chords, and this is how you play them. So the first chord is an A minor 7, and so that's going to be the 2nd fret D string and the 1st fret B string. It's going to sound like this. Okay, and then the 2nd chord is a C major 7. So that's the 3rd fret A string and the 2nd fret D string. And it's gonna sound like this. Okay, and the 3rd fret is an F major 7. So that's gonna be the 3rd fret D string, 2nd fret G string, and the 1st fret B string, and it's gonna sound like this. All right, and the last chord is an E minor 7. This one is hella easy, guys. It's just the 2nd fret A string, and it's gonna sound like this. Okay, and those are the 4 chords. So altogether, A minor 7, C major 7, F major 7, and then E minor 7. Okay, so when you put it together with the lyrics, it's gonna sound like this. Ain't no question you should send that my way, my way. I'm so reckless, I've been pressing all day. What do it take for us to get away? I can show you better, let me demonstrate. You got that pressure, I can never wait. You know it's pressure, I can never wait. You know I could take you there if I never made it clear. Yeah, beside getting money, all I wanna do. Something out of water, getting faded with you. Load the bag up like I'm playing the flute. I'm an asshole, but I cater to you. So yeah, it's gonna sound like that basically throughout the whole entire song. And in terms of like the strumming pattern, you know, and however you want to do that, that's up to you. That's up to your artistry. You know, that's up to, you know, what kind of tone you want to set. But yeah, that's basically it. All right, guys. Well, that is it for this video. I appreciate y'all watching. If you did find this valuable in any way, shape, or form, please go ahead and leave a comment down below. Like this video. Go ahead and make a cover if you feel so inclined to. That would be pretty cool to see that. And please subscribe if you want more videos and content like this. And I will see you guys on the next one.